Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial from the Nice Tower channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create this model by using CNC panel. Before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and don't forget, like the video, comment and share it with your friends. So let's jump it. First, draw a rectangle 60 cm by 200 cm, then draw a curve up to here and erase this face. Then extrude this face up to here 5 cm and take an offset and extrude this face up to here, offset again. Let me empty this face. Okay, now we have a frame. So let me select all and make it a component. Now by using flip tool, take a copy up to here. So it's so far. Let me move it closer. And now let me edit something. No. Go into group. And now draw a line here too, and extrude it up to here. So let me move it closer. So now take a copy from this line by using offset, and now draw a line up to here, and extrude it again. So now I don't want to see these edges, so I can hide them. And now here select this line and delete, draw another line, erase here and extrude it too up to here, and again select here and hide the edges because I don't want to see them. So now select this face and take a copy, then paste in place and move it here. Now we have a CNC panel. I want to cut the CNC panel like this face by using face knife plugin. First select the CNC, then select the face. Oops, no, it doesn't work. It's not good. Let me try another way. So first push pull it up to here, then make it group. Now we need to solid tools, then let me move it here, select this one and enter an intersect option. Now as you can see, it's ready. Let me move it here a little bit more, and now select this one and by flip tools take up copy left side, and now we should bend this CNC panel here. So take a copy from this line, then paste in place. So let me move it here and the panel tool, and now to bend this CNC panel, we need shape bender plugins. So let me rotate CNC panel because shape bender doesn't work on blue and green axis, just it works on red axis. So let me explode the CNC panel and make it group again. And now we need a line. Let me draw up to here. And now click on shape bender, this line and this curve, and just enter. As you can see now it's bent. So let me delete this one because we don't need it. Rotate it again and move it up to here. Let me move it a little bit here. So guys, as you can see, our work is finished. I hope it was useful for you. For more tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like the video, comment and share it with your friends.